how's the outlook of UAE or Dubai job market, so that the people before getting on plane, they should have fair understanding about the town and what type of situation they're going to face here?
Absolutely. I mean, Dubai is one of the, and the UAE for that matter, not just Dubai, is one of the emerging destinations and favorite destinations for most organizations. Expo 2020 is it's on its way, it's around the corner. And that means that there's lots of opportunities for people who want to come here and spread their wings, want to come here in a relatively safe environment, and kind of really be able to push the levels and raise their ability or their knowledge in a particular industry. Dubai is that marketplace that's available for them. So it is still in a growth period. Expo 2020 will show that and demonstrate that. And it also has great opportunity for you to be able to go in at an organization and really be able to prove your worth. So yeah, in terms of one of the markets that are the area of strength, I would say definitely Dubai is top 2, top 3.
You can watch more videos on my channel related to this. Thank you.